Beautiful road glide in for a wiring rescue. This time it wasn't a shop, customer did it himself, and he admitted it could have been done a little bit neater. Used cheap wire, didn't know any better, so it's CCA wire, gotta rip that out. Use oxygen-free copper, gonna replace with Stinger. At least he's got good equipment. Check this out. Love this amplifier. It's the Stinger Power Sports amplifier. It's weather resistant, has a decent amount of power. Love this amp. But customer's a little brutal with it and broke the clip. Let me see if I can order him another one of those. Using aluminum wire, so you know we got to replace that. Got some cheap RCAs going on in here. Then if you're gonna bunch up the RCAs, first of all, you should use proper length RCAs. If you're gonna bunch it up, don't tie it to the power wire. You're guaranteeing that you're gonna get noise. So you take the bunched up RCAs, which already can give you noise, and then you directly tie it to the power wire. You're just asking for problems. So we gotta fix that. This could have been mounted a little bit better. There's plenty of room up here. Then I didn't like his choice of speakers. He's running Kicker CXs, so there's another one over there because he blew one, of course. These are Kicker's entry-level speakers, which is okay in a car. Doesn't have enough efficiency to be used on a bike, so they're not going to sound that great. I convinced them to let me add 8-inch subs in the bags, so then we can high pass these really high since they don't really produce mid bass, and we can get away with it for now until he gets more money up to swap out the speakers. But using super thin cable to run not one but 2 sets of speakers, that's no good. Using the cheap Amazon quick disconnect, but at least use the disconnect. We're gonna make that a little bit better. This one's not that bad, but we're gonna make it better. Getting rid of the dollar store RCAs. Replace them with Stinger.